Hello everypony, LPS Pegasus Sister Gamer 1 here, or for short, you could call me LPG1. Now today I am going to doing an unboxing video of the Sunset Shimmer brushable. Sorry about that interruption. Now let's get to unboxing this Sunset Shimmer thing. I'm sorry about that interruption. People just won't stop charging into my room. Jeez. And they go on filming. It irritates the crap out of me. Oh. Jeez. That's hard to open anything box. There. Anything in there. Brush pops out. There we go. And then we have this weird looking Sunset Shimmer. I really wish people would stop barging into my room while I'm filming. God. Is that so hard to ask? Jeez. Take this weird thing out of her hair. There we go. It's gone. And this little mirror thing looks way too small for her to look in. Just look. That looks too small. Just way too small. I wonder what this dress would look like on my derpy. Let's find out. Okay, this is obviously a fail. I can't get her around her wings. Jeez, I'm such a derp. Look at the detail on this. It looks like her legs are on fire. Oh my god. No, wait, never mind. Her legs aren't on fire. Her legs aren't on fire. I forgot to take this rubber thing out of her tail. There. Looks like somebody had too many drugs. Yep. Sunset, didn't anybody tell you not to play with drugs? You weird pony, you. Sparkly eyeshadow. If you liked this weird unboxing video, leave it a like and give me a subscribe if you want to. Yeah. Bye. Bye. Tortoise.